Question 7, part A. We need to prove a trigonometric identity. The left side is more complicated, and we need to show that it equals 2 tangent square theta on the right side. We start from the left side, where we have sine theta over 1 minus sine theta minus sine theta over 1 plus sine theta. These are two rational expressions. Whenever we have rational expression, we simplify by making a common denominator. The denominator for the second term is 1 plus sine theta. So we multiply the first term by 1 plus sine theta over 1 plus sine theta. And we multiply the second term by the denominator of the first term, which is 1 minus sine theta over 1 minus sine theta. The numerator becomes sine theta 1 plus sine theta minus sine theta 1 minus sine theta all over 1 minus sine theta 1 plus sine theta. We can expand the numerator, so we expand the numerator for both terms to obtain sine theta plus sine square theta minus sine theta. The two negative becomes a positive sine square theta. In the denominator, we have 1 minus sine theta, 1 plus sine theta. This is the same as a minus b, a plus b, which is a difference of squares. Then we have 1 minus sine square theta in the denominator. Sine theta and sine theta cancel off in the numerator, so that we have sine square plus sine square, that is 2 sine square theta. In the denominator, 1 minus sine square is cos square theta. From the fundamental identity of trigonometry, we know that the sum of squares of sine and cos equals 1. So cos square is 1 minus sine square. Then we replace this with cos square. There is 2 here, and we have sine square over cos square. Sine over cos is tangent. That gives us tangent square theta. Part B, we need to solve an equation for theta in between 0 and 180 degrees. So we look at quadrant 1 and quadrant 2 for the solutions. The left side of part B, this left side here, is the same as the left side from part A. We can replace this left side with 2 tangent square theta. Instead of having this bunch of things, you just have 2 tangent square theta equals 8. And remember, theta is only in quadrant 1 or quadrant 2. Divide throughout by 2, we have tangent square equals 4, and we need to take square root on both sides. Tangent theta is plus minus square root of 4, which is plus minus 2. So our solution is certainly in quadrant 1, where tangent is positive, and also in quadrant 2, where tangent is negative. Find the reference angle or the related acute angle. This is inverse tangent of 2. Beta is 63.4 degrees. In quadrant 1, theta is the same as beta, 63.1 degrees. In quadrant 2, theta is 180 degrees minus 63.4 degrees. So our solution for theta is 63.4 degrees and 116.6 degrees.